The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2023 Honda CR-V with a bare roof. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream BaseLine complete rack system. This is made up of the JetStream load bar, 60 inches in length, black shown here, silver is also available. The BaseLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and base slip 178 for the front and base slip 178 for the rear. So overall you have a 165 pound carrying capacity distributed over the 2 bars. Those bars are spaced at 32 inches center to center. So really a great system for carrying all sorts of cargo boxes, kayaks, bikes, pretty much you name it. Locks are available as a separate option, so you can pick a set of those up if you are concerned about security. But anyway, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete rack system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.